Greetings everyone, I am Sarvaga Jagatram representing Elon Musk for today's artificial intelligence topic of what are the policies implemented for AI. These are the following things I have said which can be taken as a base for what my thoughts are towards AI. First of all, focus of safety on AI is our utmost priority. For example, in Tesla, I have mentioned that drivers need to pay full attention even while autopilot is on to mitigate any risks associated with AI. Another famous statement said by me on CNN News being, artificial intelligence will take all of your jobs. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. Probably none of us will have a job in the future. AI is actively updating and improving, and in the future may provide endless goods and services without taking energy of humans or any money. In January, researchers at MIT found out that companies adopting AI is much slower than what they had thought of, because it's not necessarily a good thing economically for employers to switch to AI from humans, since AI is still costly in today's world. Another thing you can see is I have shared an image on X on my portfolio, as you can see an image around somewhere here, showcasing the future of humanoid robots looking at a brain. This showcases the development of AI for the future and possibly may be true. Now, these are the following things which I am concerned about, such as the truth-seeking and correct views from an AI. As I stated in one of my video conferences, Viva Technology Paris, May 23, 2024. The examples I mentioned of asking AI is, what is better, misgendering Caitlyn Jenner or having a nuclear war? And to no one's surprise, AI said nuclear war is better than misgendering someone. It is necessary for us to not provide our political opinions on AI and let it see the truth and see what's better rationally instead of having our social views. We need to build AIs which have the correct truth and understand what's important. We should not force AI to believe misgendering is worse than a catastrophe and people dying for God knows what reason. Another major concern is if AI can do everything we do but better, what's the point for us to do anything? It can cause existential crisis. Performing anything, doing a hobby, which even a robot is better than you at what you love. What is the point of you doing stuff? As I stated, this can cause an existential crisis. But what about the negative psychology we'll have? What would we do in the future? This is what we need to focus on. Now, for the next part of the video, I think we should focus on the stance of United States on AI. It's important to understand what our country thinks of AI and how it would impact in the future. The executive order issued by President Biden in October 2023, titled Safe, Secure and Trustworthy Development and Use of Artificial Intelligence. His order emphasizes 8 policy areas, including public safety, civil liberties, workforce development, and international cooperation. The US government prioritizes the development of AI that is safe, reliable, and secure than hacking or misuse. We need to avoid any negative things. The GPAI is an international initiative focused on the development of reliable and safe AI development. These are the few things we have seen, and this is what the future is gonna be. It's important to be concerned and be focused on this as a citizen of this world. Thank you everyone for checking out this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel to get more views and more understanding of artificial intelligence. Thank you.